Hello folks, this is BKinnison over here at BISH'S RV in Meridian. Behind me I have our 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 BHPS. Let's go take a look inside. Alrighty folks, so in the front of this coach you have your nice big master suite featuring a king size bed. You'll notice on both sides of the bed you do have storage. These have little poles in them so you can hang your clothes nice and neat up in there. You also have outlets on both sides of the bed so you can charge your phones, run a CPAP, any of that kind of stuff. You're also going to notice you have storage above the bed. On this side of the bed over here, there is a nice big wardrobe. On this side you have a nice big closet to hang your clothes. And then on this side, you're going to have a couple drawers in there so you can stack stuff up. You can put towels, blankets, anything like that in there. Underneath the bed, you'll also notice there's some storage for your shoes. You can put those muddy boots in there. Just keep them out of the way. They'll be nice and organized in there. One thing I really appreciate is you also have a full-length door to give you some of that privacy. So this door goes from the ceiling all the way to the bottom. You don't have that little thin curtain or the half door, right? It covers the whole thing, just keeps it nice and private in there. You have these butcher block style countertops. I really like these. The aesthetic to them is awesome. They just add a little bit of color in here, kind of brighten it up, give it that more residential feel. You also have your nice big stainless steel sink. It's all one piece. I really appreciate that. You can actually do some dishes in there, get down and dirty with what you're doing. Just gives you a lot more usable space. Your 3-burner stove right here with your oven. Right above that you'll notice the microwave as well as all of this storage above the sink. One thing I really like about this coach is it is not lacking on storage at all. On this side you have your refrigerator. I appreciate they put it down a little bit. That way when you open your freezer, you're not having to dig around in there, kind of where you can't see everything. So they actually lower that down a little bit. Just makes it a little more comfortable for everybody to grab their stuff out. Gonna have a nice big U-shaped dinette over here. Again, storage above that. That is all one piece with a 3-door access. You also have storage underneath that entire dinette. This does fold down and make another bed right here as well. Right across from that's going to be our entertainment center. Again, just lots more storage. You also have an outlet in here so you can put that DVD player in there, something like that. So you can have power to it, but then it's not going to be out having cords in everybody's way. Another hidden storage compartment right here. You can put your valuables, you could put your PlayStation in here, you could put games, anything like that. We'll go back here to our bunk beds. I really appreciate these bunk beds. You have a window for both bunks. Just lets a little bit of light in, doesn't feel like you're in a dark cave. Into our bathroom here, you'll notice this nice big shower. I really like this. Gives it a little extra height. And one thing I really like too is going to be this door. So this is just a retractable shower door. When you retract it, it actually acts as a squeegee, so it pulls that water off and lets it go straight to that drain, so you're not going to get that mold or mildew or smell or anything like that. More storage along the side here. You can put towels in there, extra shampoo bottles, anything like that. The way they position this toilet is awesome. So if you're sitting here, your knees aren't going to be hitting anything. You have plenty of room there. Also have your medicine cabinet in here with the nice little sink right here. Then the best part about this coach, in my personal opinion, is this closet right here. Again, just adding to all that storage that this coach has to offer. You could use this as your pantry, you could hang clothes in it, you could put towels in here. The possibilities are just endless with this guy. It's just a massive storage compartment. This coach is definitely not lacking on the storage. Let's take a look outside. Alrighty folks, so we'll start right here with our pass-through storage. This is our King Kong storage. If you look right in here, you can see it's just a massive pass-through storage. You can put your camp chairs in there, that camp chef, anything like that. Anything you guys are gonna need can fit right in there. Moving on to our electric jacks. No more sitting there cranking by hand or anything like that. Simply push a button, they go up, push a button, they go down. Super, super nice. Nice big awning right here with all the LED lights underneath of it, with your outside speakers, gives you that nice camp setup right out here. Another super nice thing is going to be that wide track suspension, going to eliminate that sway in the wind when you're pulling it behind your tow vehicle. These nice solid steps when you're walking in and out of your coach, these are just going to be nice and solid. They're not rocking the coach back and forth anytime someone goes in or out. Moving on to our outside kitchen here. They do have a little pull-out drawer for prep space. I really like that. Just a little extra counter space. You don't have to bring as many little portable tables with you. Then you do have a sink out here. One downside, the sink does not pull out, but since it doesn't pull out, it does drain directly into that black tank. So you don't have to pull that sink out, dump the water out, or anything like that. It'll drain right into that tank for you. This little swing out arm is for a little grill, a little portable grill. It has a quick propane, so you don't have to bring extra propane bottles. It'll just run right off those main ones up front. Another smaller storage right here. I like to put wheel chocks or the power cord or something like that in there. Just something small that you know where it's going to be. That way you don't lose anything. On this side of the coach, you're going to have that wet bay. You have your outside shower right here. Then your city water, black tank flush, cable connections, power outlet. Everything's all nice on one side in a great spot, so you don't have to be moving around the coach and having a bunch of hoses and wires going all kinds of different places. Alrighty folks, that is our 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 BHPS. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe below.